Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Noilam jongkal yang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma Ulaong. Baki MLA bat ki ministers jongka jilla kila syak dawa pisa bat kila poiru ki shithi dawa pisa syaki. Henry yakata Ulaong ba kwa ban keren AA bat uong ba yakani ke jubab ki nong thok khubor ki deban pan menteri rang ba ke jilla u Konrad Kongkal Sangma.
If I have tried to draw the attention of the government, particularly the Chief Minister, to convene the meeting of the State Security Commission, there were innumerable reasons, and one of the reasons is this. And you did not see the response. I think friends from media must have sought a response from the Chief Minister. So you can see the complete insensitivity towards this crucial area of concern. You should ask the Chief Minister how many of the MLAs have received demand notes. Please ask the Chief Minister how many of the MLAs and how many of the ministers have received demand notes. Then you will know what is the gravity of the situation. Is it fine? Is it okay? If they say okay, then let him say okay. Let me see. Does he have the guts to say okay? Friends, therefore I am telling you, it's the responsibility of each one of us to ensure that the state doesn't go to that kind of disastrous future.